back. Today we're going to do beef and broccoli stir fry with oyster sauce. We want our wok to be hot. We're going to be flavoring our oil with garlic. Use our cleaver. I put 3 good-sized ones in for this. This is fresh ginger, and I've cut it so that the grain is really short. Some diced onions, mushrooms. You can use regular white mushrooms, that's what we have here, or if you like portobellos or wild mushrooms, you could do that. Broccoli, cut up. Some sweet red peppers, and we have sirloin strip today. Because it's marbled, that fat will break up and it will melt and add flavor. I am cutting across the grain, bite-sized pieces. The wok is all heated up. Add a tablespoon of oil. Doesn't take a lot. As soon as it starts to shimmer, it's ready to go. It's going to sizzle right away. We're going to put in our onion. Mix that in. We'll let that go for about a minute. We're going to put in our mushrooms. I turn this heat up to high. You can see I haven't added any liquids at this point. So I'm going to put my meat right into the hottest part of the wok, right down in there. And see, with the shape of the wok, you can push everything else aside. We're maintaining that very high sizzle. I can start pushing from the sides back into the center. Cooks very, very quickly. We'd like to soften up our broccoli, so let's put that in. The broccoli turns bright green very quickly. So the last thing we'll add will be our peppers. Once the stir frying process is just about done, we'll add our liquid at this point. So we're going to add 3 parts of soy sauce, and this is going to stop the sizzling. Some rice wine, just 1 part, and about a 1/4 cup of our oyster sauce. This will give it a nice glaze. I'm going to cut up some scallions, 1/2-inch slices diagonally, and I'll just bruise them a little bit as I put them in. Give this one more stir. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.